Stop posting if your new YouTube channel is giving you 0 views, 10 views, or barely giving you any subscribers. You need to check these 3 settings that I'm about to show you on this particular video. All right. First, this is a new channel that is not up to a week. Yes. Now, take your time. You can see the day I created it. You can see it. Now, let me show you. This is the subscribers. All right. Now, before I started posting on this channel, immediately I created it, I make sure these 3 settings are in the right places. The ones that needs to be turned on, turned on. The one that needs to be turned off is turned off before posting. And immediately the views are coming in, the subscribers are coming in on a daily basis. Now, I will be showing you the 3 settings. If you're not getting views, rush right now and go and check these 3 settings I'm about to show you. If this is what you're interested in, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your comment on the comment section. Now, this is the 4th channel I'm growing on this YouTube space. All right, I have AI channel, I have fashion channel, I have movie channel, and this is the 4th one. And I will be sharing with you all the things I did that helped me to grow fast on YouTube space. Now, let's dive into it. Let me show you exactly what I did that gave this channel this massive result in just few days. Yeah, few days. Let's go.
Head over to your YouTube studio, either on your phone or your laptop. I'm using phone, right? Now on your browser, you locate YouTube studio, this particular one, studio.youtube.com. Click on it, it takes you here. Make sure you click on continue to studio. All right, do not click on get to the app. No, click on continue to studio. Once you click on it, it opens up. All right, now I'm waiting for it to open up, and here it is. Okay, now it will take you to your YouTube studio the way it should be displayed on the laptop. If you have a laptop, perfect. You just need to go to your YouTube studio, okay, and you start the settings. Now when you get to YouTube studio, locate your settings. You see down here, this is on my phone, okay? If it's on this phone YouTube studio, locate the settings, and here now the first setting is click on channel. Now when you click on channel, you see this particular place. These are channel keywords, channel hashtag. I had to zoom it for you to see. Now I'm using this particular channel you're watching me from to show you. This channel is about YouTube growth, YouTube start strategy, and AI video. So if you watch my keywords, the first I did AI studio. All right, AI tools for YouTube. You see YouTube monetization, YouTube channel growth, YouTube strategies. You see, generally, all these are all the keywords my channel need, because these are the kind of things I do. All right. Now, if you're confused, you do not know which one to add to your channel. All right. Just go to ChatGPT and request for channel keywords. Now, that particular channel I showed you earlier, that is AI video movie scene channel. All right. Now, the kind of hashtag I use for that particular channel is not the same with this one. All right. Now, the next place is upload default. Step down. Go to advanced settings. Now, you see here, on this particular channel you're watching me from, you can see my category is education. YouTube did not put this education for me. I did. Okay, YouTube did not put it for me. I chose it because this particular channel is about education. All right, now when you click on it, it drops. Now any content you're creating on YouTube must have a category. That way YouTube will send your content to people in your people that needs your content, people that need to watch your video. That particular first channel I showed you, I did not choose education, I chose entertainment. That particular channel I showed you at the beginning, I chose entertainment, but this particular one is about education, so I chose education. Okay, now if you choose education, YouTube will send your content to people that watch things your kind of video, not randomly. Now it is very important you make sure you choose your category. it is very important you choose your category. It is very important. Now, once you choose, if you're into AI tutorials, all right, like one of my channel is into AI tutorial. That one you can go for tech, science and tech. Now, if you're into news, trendings, you can go for news and politics. Okay, there are so many. If you're into gaming, you choose gaming. If you're into fashion, like my fashion channel, I use how to and style. All right, now your channel need to have a category. That way YouTube will know where to send your who to send your video to, because everybody you see on YouTube knows what they want. Okay, now that is very important. I chose education because what I'm teaching is a teaching channel or on YouTube growth and how to create AI movies. This particular channel you're watching me from. Now the next thing that I don't turn on, this particular one, I do not turn it on when I started uploading on that new channel. But this particular one, it is turned on because I have up to 500 to 600 subscribers on this particular channel. So when you do not have a subscriber, do not turn what I'm about to show you on. Do not turn it on. That particular channel, the first channel I showed you that had 50 something subscribers, I do not turn, each time I post video, I do not turn this on. Okay, so do not turn it on whenever you are using this. You do not have channel, you do not have subscribers. You see here, this particular place, publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers. Now this particular channel you're watching me from, I have 600 plus subscribers. This will be turned on. Now mind you, you cannot change this after uploading your video. You can't change it again. All right, you need to turn it off if you're between 0 to 300 subscribers. To always turn this off so that YouTube can send your content to more people rather than just centralize it on your subscribers. Okay, it is very important you do not turn publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Please always turn it off. Always turn it off. So that particular channel, I turned it off because I do not even have up to 100 subscribers there, because who am I to who are they YouTube to send it to? So if you're below 0 to 100, 200, 300 subscriber, please always turn this off. Currently on this channel, I have 600 plus, so I have subscribers to watch before YouTube send it to more people. All right, so these are the 3 settings I make sure they are in place before I started posting on that channel, and I'm getting massive results. In no time, that channel will be